these Ring open ear wireless air conduction sports headphones. So open air, there's recently like bone conduction came out where it vibrates basically the bone here in front of your head and causes you to hear the sound there. But this one is, I guess this is different using open air technology, which doesn't allow, you don't have the thing in your ear as an earbud, but also, so limits the discomfort from that, but also the bone conduction ones can get kind of tiresome over time, so right on your head there. So these are supposed to be the most the best of both worlds, not being too uncomfortable or whatever, so, and still allowing you to listen to things. Okay, that is that. That's kind of neat right there. There's the setup there. We have a little instructions here on the bottom and setup guide. So this would probably be some seamless Bluetooth connection here, and probably a USB to USB-C charger would be my guess. Some kind of little stickers there. It looks like you can put them on the side of the device if you wanted to, for reflective purposes. And a little warranty card. And then here we have our instructions. And also, oh, it's wrapped up really well. Okay. Yes, indeed. Oh, this is not USB-C, it's a micro USB. Let's check these out here. All right, they are super lightweight, actually. Pull this plastic off of here. Quite light, actually. So these bend down here. Oh, nice. They click into each little spot. You can hear it clicks down to whatever portion you want, so you can put it all the way down one way and then just click them out or whatever. So that's not going to go over my eyes, obviously. So that's going to go there like that, and then you can adjust it out after you want to. That's is like pretty comfortable there, actually. And you can move them closer to your head. It's not going to come off if you're running or anything like that, or jumping up and down. It's staying right there. It's not, it features like this, has a nice little like a pad here too. So it's not like it's pressing down or it's not uncomfortable. I know I have Samsung Galaxy earbuds or whatever. I use these sometimes, but they, after a while, they can kind of hurt my ears. I'm not sure why. So different technologies, like such as this, like over the ear, this allows you still to hear other people, but your music as well. I'm going to hook this up to the Bluetooth, get this charged up, and we'll give the final review here. Well, the Bluetooth connection was super easy. Just turned it on and it started flashing the blue and red light, and then just search for Mu6 Ring on my phone, connected right away. These are super light, and I've been wearing them for a while. Don't really feel anything. Like, I've had some bone conduction ones I tried before, and they are a little, these seem to easier on the ears than those ones. Those ones seem to put out a little bit more vibration. These are lightweight, and it doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere. Also, the ear ones, if you put them directly in your ears, I do have some like Samsung ones like this. I get a little uncomfortable for a little while, and after, if I wear them too long, it'll actually start hurting the inner parts of my ears. Not the case with these. These are really comfortable, and they're like lightweight. It's not like squeezing my head hard, but yet it's still, I can run around and jump up and down, and these aren't going to fall off of there at all. There's, it doesn't feel like, and they just fit comfortably around your head here. These adjustable portions on the side here, it's super nice. You can just put it, make it pretty much any comfort level that you want and adjust it to however you want to fit on there. But it's, yeah, the sound quality is really good. Let's just reconnect here. Pulled my Galaxy Bud out of there and it connected. And we can play some music. Nope. All right. Let's see here. Right, so the music, the sound is really good quality, and you can still hear other people. So if you want to talk to someone, it's not like an earbud that's gonna usually block the sound so you can't hear when other people are talking to you. And this actually gets pretty loud. The sound quality is really good. Like full volume there. It's got really, the sound quality is really nice. So I have this little strip on the back here also. So it reflects if you are jogging or running like that. People will be able to help see that when you're running. Played some sports and stuff with it on. It's not gonna fall off of there. Super comfortable. It's not feeling hot and sweaty. Sometimes you wear some of these too and they get like sweaty underneath or something like that. These are just really comfortable, nice sound quality, and I'm pretty impressed with them actually. So thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day. See you next time.